I want to give someone a free year in New York City.
What's up, guys? This is my story. When I was 9 years old, I was diagnosed with type 1 diabetes. The doctor said I had to have like a routine and strict lifestyle. So I said fuck that and did the opposite. This is my dad.
Hello fuckers out there.
My dad thought leaving a well-paid factory job to become a creator with no safety was a really stupid idea. I said fuck that and went to Central America to document my journey as a volunteer. This was back in 2011 when YouTuber and influencer wasn't really a job title. I developed self-discipline and structure to keep me healthier. But I never let my disease or the voice of others get in the way of me living my life to its fullest and explore my potential. As you said, Casey, I do what I can't. I worked extremely hard. I sacrificed a lot of comfort, safety, and stability. I was willing to constantly step out of my comfort zone, and in doing so, expanding it bigger and bigger. That's what makes me strong, grateful, happy, loving, kind, patient. That's also what makes me hungry, energized, persistent, and hardworking. Ryan, you said we are the product of our environment. Until now, this has been my environment. I explored the world and tried everything. I made some amazing friends and learned a lot. I lived simply, I dreamed, loved, cried, danced, laughed. I lived in a van, slept on a couch for 1.5 years with my best friend. I lived out of a bag for the majority of my 20s in different places like Stockholm, Berlin, Costa Rica, and Bali. And all of this happened because I took action. I created opportunities instead of waiting for them. I made my life instead of life making me. As you can tell, I'm not a man that is afraid of trying new things and places. And I believe we only truly regret the things we didn't do, and to this day, I haven't got any regrets. And I plan to keep it that way. But time and time again, it keeps coming back to exactly that. Time. Time has been my biggest hurdle. As a freelancer, I was free, but so much of my time had to go to other people's work to survive. And I truly did cut my expenses down to the absolute minimum. I even moved into the van with my fiancée just so we could cut down on living costs and work relentlessly on our passions, but we still had to spend so much time to work for others to keep it going. And then, last October, my girlfriend smashed her face, the heater in the van broke, and our solar panel flew off the roof on the highway.
Yeah, luckily no one got hurt, but that's it's 300 euros right there. It's a good start.
With only $50 left in our accounts and no more jobs coming in, we had to go to our family in London as a last resort and start over. So this is what my days look like now.
I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. Try to catch me howling at the moon.
So see, I still work hard, I still hustle my ass off. Every single second of the day, I'm doing something. And only so much percent is going towards what I actually love to do. Unfortunately, London is very expensive and isn't the environment for a creator like me. Because I'm a creative, independent spirit, I love to work with people, but not for people.
Money,
If I come to New York, not only do I get all this time back to create, I'm also getting the right environment and people to add fuel to my fire, to boost my actions to new heights, and to nurture my creativity further. And the rest of the world says, what the fuck? New York says, fuck yeah. Ryan, you said,
This is the greatest city in the world.
you said it's a city for people who want to work hard and make something. People who love the struggle, who won't quit when it's hard, who keeps pushing when it's really fucking hard, who loves the taste of blood, sweat, and tears. I am that guy, and I've been that guy for 12 years, and I still keep going. So all these years, I've been fighting in the dirt, and I still love it. With your idea of bringing someone to New York, it would be like a friend pulling me out of the mud. Not so that I can sit down and relax, but so I can get up on the ground and keep running, keep climbing, keep pushing for faster, higher, and bigger goals. I work every day of the week. There's no resting. There's no 9 to 5. Because I love what I do, and if I could do it for a full year without having to take other gigs to survive, I would make the biggest transformation you have ever seen. I'm not sitting around waiting for some amazing opportunity like this in order for me to take action. I'm taking action every day. But if I can go from a few hours a day to full time, I'm going to take that big apple that is New York City and take every bite of it to make it happen. I want the challenge of making the biggest transformation of progress in 1 year than anyone has ever done. There's not enough positivity out there, and I want to be one of the voices that changes that. I want to make more and see others feel good from what I create. I want to create content that makes a difference, makes an impact, and makes a positive change in others' lives. I believe I have lots of potential. We all do. I also believe I back this up with my actions. But if I could have all the time and freedom, I could do so much more, and that's what I want to do. Do more, do better, do different.
Hey, this is Ashley. I'm in New York, and I think Marcus is exactly what this crazy, non-stop, eclectic city needs.
Hi guys, my name is Anastasia, and I think you should send Marcus to New York City.
Hey Marcus, New York City is the kind of place for someone like you, man. You gotta make it out here.
Hey guys, my name is Nisha and I think you should send Marcus to New York City.
Hey guys, Marcus would fit perfectly in New York City. The city needs more people like him.
Ethan and Wolf here from New Zealand, and we think you should send Marcus to New York City, don't we say? Yeah.
Marcus, move to New York. You can cheer for the Rangers in person. Let's go Rangers!
What's up, baby? What's my nigga name right here, baby? We already do it all day, every day, baby. Champagne gang, Travier, my nigga right here. God is good, baby. You already know.
Another dollar, Yankee boy. Hey, man.
Take care.